The man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students has agreed to be extradited from Pennsylvania to Idaho to face murder charges. Bryan Kohberger made his first court appearance yesterday. The hearing came as police released video of Kohberger getting pulled over for allegedly speeding in Indiana 2 weeks before his arrest. Danya Bacchus is in Moscow, Idaho. Danya, good morning.
Good morning, Adriana. Officials now have 9 days to bring Bryan Kohberger here to Idaho. And just last night, a judge in the state issued a gag order blocking law enforcement and attorneys from discussing the case. Wearing a red jumpsuit and shackled with armed guards, suspect Bryan Kohberger appeared stoic and calm as he walked into a Pennsylvania courtroom Tuesday to waive his extradition rights. He's facing 4 murder charges in Idaho for allegedly stabbing to death Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Zana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin in November. Once he's here, he is allowed by law to see an affidavit explaining the evidence against him.
I definitely believe that one of the main reasons the defendant chose to waive extradition and hurry his return back to Idaho was the need to know what was in those documents.
The 28-year-old criminology student was attending Washington State University and lived just 15 minutes from the crime scene. About a month after the murders, Kohberger went on a pre-planned road trip with his father to their family's home in Pennsylvania. New dash and body cam footage released by Indiana State Police show a trooper pulling over Kohberger during that trip. And this was not the only time they were stopped. Just minutes before, a local sheriff's deputy pulled the white Hyundai Elantra over for allegedly following another vehicle too closely. Both times, Kohberger received warnings. The 2 law enforcement agencies said there was no information available on a suspect for the crime in Idaho at the time of the traffic stops. But a week earlier, Moscow police did release this flyer asking for help finding the owner of the same type of vehicle in connection with the murders. Sources tell CBS News that law enforcement surveilled the cross-country trip using E-ZPass monitoring.
It's my sincere hope that this marks a clear step in the right direction of effectuating justice.
CBS News has learned authorities linked DNA at the crime scene to Kohberger thanks to familial DNA found in an ancestry database. If convicted, Kohberger faces life in prison and possibly the death penalty. Nate?
Danya, thank you.